Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while installing any game. You got an error occurred while unpacking with an returned error code 1 archive data corrupted. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, make sure you go ahead and force recheck the installed files. For example, if I have downloaded RDR2, I'll go ahead, right click on it and choose the option force recheck so that if any file is corrupted, it will be automatically downloaded after doing a force recheck. Now once it is force recheck and you have properly downloaded the files, you need to launch the installer. So I'll go ahead and launch the installer. Now while installing, first of all, make sure you must check mark this particular option, which is limit installer to 3 GB. Nextly is hit the next button, and then the default installation location, it must be alpha or alphanumeric. Do not use any special characters for the install location of the game, because this is one of the major cause behind this error code 1. So after doing these changes, try to reinstall the game, and hopefully the issue will be fixed. Although if this failed to work out, again open the downloaded folder and you need to right click on the setup and choose the option run as administrator. Now once the setup is started, you need to right click on the taskbar and choose the option task manager. Now from the left pane, click on the details tab, and in the search box you need to type in setup and you will find two files, setup.exe and setup.tmp. These both files are related to this installation setup. So you need to right click on each of the file, choose the option set affinity. From here, uncheck the option all processors and check mark a CPU maximum of 6. Hit the OK button then. Do the same with setup.tmp. Right click, set affinity, uncheck all processors and tick mark an up to of 6 CPU. Then hit the OK button. After doing so, close the task manager and proceed with the installation of the game, and hopefully this time the issue of unarc.dll return error code 1 archive data corrupted will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.